It's not like one day we wake up and suddenly our ovaries just stop producing all our estrogen and we know exactly what dose you're going to need and we just give you a dose and you stay with that forever. It can kind of be a gradual process. And also, our ovaries can sometimes continue to be making their own hormone, but it can be very much in a pulsatile way. So like one day you might have a good ovary day where you have some good internal hormones that are being produced, and the next few days maybe not so much, and it can fluctuate. And so that's why sometimes your dose can change and can fluctuate back and forth. So the closer we get into our menopause transition and the older we get, generally overall, when we look at like the levels of estrogen, they might fluctuate up and down, but if you look at a graph, generally they decrease. So that's why sometimes the dose may need to be adjusted the longer that you're on HRT. It may not be, for the same dose that you start with may not be the same dose you might need 2 years from now or even 6 months from now. Every woman is unique. So it's best to really, look at your symptoms and adjust based on those.